Hello friends, in this video I will show how to multiply columns in Excel. So as we can see, we can multiply columns in just few clicks. So we can multiply in just a few clicks. You have to type this formula equal sign. Now type product PRO, and once you type product, here you will see suggestion. Double click on this product. Now select your first column, then semicolon, then second C2. So guys, here just you have to type equal sign. Now type product and double click on this product. You will see this suggestion. Now here select this first cell, I mean B2. In my case, it can be different in your data. So select this first column, and after that enter semicolon. Then select C2 and press enter. So this way guys, you have the answer. Now just drag and drop like this. So we have the answer. Thanks for watching guys. Share, like and subscribe this channel.